Hello students, welcome to our online lecture. Today we are going to start chapter number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. This is the first lecture of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. In previous chapter, that means alcohol, phenol and ether, we learned about organic compounds which contain carbon oxygen single bond. Yes, in last chapter in alcohol, phenol and ether, the one of the functional group in that we have studied carbon oxygen single bond. That means this is the different type of functional group. And in this chapter we are going to study a different type of functional group in that the compounds containing carbon oxygen double bond is present, and this type of compound and this type of group called as carbonyl group. Okay, and this carbonyl group is one of the most important functional group in whole organic chemistry. This is very important functional group, carbon double bond oxygen. Okay, that means in last chapter means कौन सा अल्कोहल, फिनोल एंड ईथर, तीनों फंक्शनल ग्रुप में कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन के बीच का बॉन्ड जो था वो सिंगल बॉन्ड. In alcohol, carbon oxygen single bond with OH. In phenol, aryl group का carbon bonded with oxygen atom with OH, right? And again in case of ether, oxygen is singly bonded with two carbon atoms. That means वहां पे क्या था, कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन के बीच का सिंगल बॉन्ड ही था in case of alcohol, phenol and ether. But in aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, there is one important functional group, and here carbon and oxygen के बीच का जो bond रहेगा वो double bond रहेगा. Understood? So in both, that means in aldehydes and ketones, okay, these are the first examples of compounds that contain carbon oxygen double bond. Okay, this aldehydes and ketones we have already studied in last chapter, that means in alcohol. We get one of the product by the oxidation of alcohol in last chapter, and this product is nothing but a aldehydes and ketones. Okay, so as you can see on the screen here, this carbon oxygen double bond, and this carbon is bonded singly with other two groups, that may be hydrogen or that may be carbon, but one of the most important term is that कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन के बीच का बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड ही रहेगा, और कार्बन सिंगली बॉन्डेड एक तो अल्काइल ग्रुप के साथ रहेगा या तो फिर हाइड्रोजन के साथ. ओके, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द which type of molecule is there. Okay, so both aldehydes and ketones contain carbon oxygen double bond as their functional group. Okay, and they are called as the carbonyl compounds. Because of this oxygen atom, listen, see, this oxygen atom, as we know in whole periodic table, oxygen having a more electronegativity, that is a second number of more electronegative atom in whole periodic table, right? So because of its electronegativity, oxygen और ये कार्बन के बीच का जो बॉन्ड है, it become more and more polar. So it creates dipoles. Carbon की valence carbon having a less electronegativity and oxygen having a more electronegativity. So because of that this carbon oxygen bond become more polar. Okay, so it acquire partial positive and partial negative charge. Carbon acquire partial positive charge and oxygen acquire partial negative charge. And the bond angle, this carbonyl group, In case of carbonyl group, the bond angle is up to 120 degree. What is the bond angle in carbonyl group? The bond angle is up to 120 degree. Means this bond angle is about 120. Let's see. In aldehydes and ketones, the carbon of this carbonyl group, that means this carbon atom, is in which hybridization or state? This is in sp2 hybridized form, because this carbon atom form 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Okay? How many sigma bonds form this carbon atom? This carbon atom forms 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. So this 3 sigma bonds with a bond angle 120 degrees Celsius, which lie in one plane. Now this is one plane. This is in one plane. So that's why this bond angle is 120. Okay. And one of the sigma bond. Here, how many sigma bonds? 3 sigma bonds. So one of the sigma bond is formed with oxygen atom, means one of the sigma bond here is this sigma bond is formed with that oxygen atom. The remaining 2 sigma bonds जो रहेंगे, means this one and one is this and another one is third one. So remaining 2 sigma bonds form with hydrogen atom or with carbon atom, carbon in alkyl group, and or with one hydrogen atom also. And the fourth valency, that means fourth pi bond जो रहेगा कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन के बीच का, वो remaining unhybridized 2p orbital of carbon atom overlap with the 2p orbital of oxygen atom, it form a pi bond. That means this is unhybridized orbital का form किया हुआ pi bond है, that we have discussed already in nature of chemical bond in last year. आप सभी लोगों को याद होगा, ठीक है? So because of that unhybridized orbital of carbon atom, it form a pi bond. Okay. So that's why this carbon and oxygens are joined by a double bond. Okay. Here, this oxygen atom acquire two lone pair. ये तो सबको पता है कि oxygen क्या रहता है? Oxygen carries two lone pair of electron. The carbonyl group is stronger, shorter, and more polarized as a compared to the double bond in case of alcohol. Okay, see, this carbon and oxygen जो group है, that means double bond, it is shorter. This bond length is shorter. Okay, and more polarized. Polarized because of what? Because oxygen having a more electronegativity. So this bond is the more polarized than carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond में दोनों atom carbon है. So same electronegative atom है. So ये bond polarized नहीं होगा. And carbon-oxygen double bond की जो bonding थी, it is shorter than this carbon-carbon double bond. Okay. So that's why this group is very important group. Okay. And this polarization, that means यहाँ पे जो dipole form हुए, this polarization contributes the reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. Because of this polarization, this group is highly reactive, and in case of aldehydes and ketones, the reactivity is due to presence of this carbonyl group. Okay, I hope you must have understood, students. See, here this carbonyl group is in one plane. So because of that, the bond angle is 120 degrees. The local geometry around the carbonyl group is trigonal planar. Okay, trigonal planar. And as we know, whenever the geometry is trigonal planar, the bond angle is 120. Okay, and the rest of the molecule does not have टू बी प्लेनर. बाकी के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स रहेंगे यहाँ पे अटैच वो प्लेनर स्ट्रक्चर में नहीं रहेंगे. Now there are number of compounds in organic chemistry that involves carbonyl group. Okay, so the compounds which contain carbonyl group, this type of compounds called as the compounds containing carbonyl group. Okay, so first one to सबको पता है, one is aldehyde, second one is ketone, then acid. Acid means carboxylic acid. The derivative of carboxylic acid is ester. Again amides, acid chlorides, like that. So these are the compounds that containing carbonyl group. So first see the aldehyde. In case of aldehyde, the hydrogen atom or the carbon means alkyl, cycloalkyl, aromatic, कुछ भी हो सकता है, which are bound to the CHO group. CHO group is the aldehydic functional group. Okay, which are bound to these CHO group. Okay, and one of the alkyl group here and another one is hydrogen, and this carbonyl group is the common. ठीक है, मतलब कार्बन की जो चार वैलेंसी है, one is satisfied with the alkyl group, another one is hydrogen atom, and remaining two in the form of double bond with oxygen atom. This is called as the aldehyde. Compounds containing carbonyl group, in that the second compound is ketone. Ketone also contains one of the carbonyl group, that means C double bond O linkage is there. Here C double bond O, and the remaining two valencies of carbon atom are satisfied with the alkyl group. These alkyl groups may be same or may not be same. That means वो same भी हो सकती है और different भी हो सकती है. Okay, और aromatic भी हो सकते हैं और cycloalkyl भी हो सकते हैं. Third one is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid also contain carbonyl group. Carboxylic acid having a functional group RC double bond OOH. Here carbonyl group is present. The one valency of this carbon atom is satisfied by this alkyl group, another one is by hydroxy group, और remaining two जो रहेगा in the form of carbonyl. ठीक है, so carboxylic acid having a OH group bound to the carbonyl carbon in addition to the hydrogen atom or carbon or alkyl or aromatic groups. Okay, so this is called as the carboxylic acid functional group. Next one is the ester. Ester also contain carbonyl group like acid, aldehydes and ketones. That also contain one of the group is carbonyl group because this is a derivative of carboxylic acid. And one valence is satisfied by the alkyl group, another one is the oxygen atom. And oxygen having another valency which is satisfied by a alkyl group. Now these two alkyl groups may be same or may not be same again. So the other bond of this carbonyl group is either hydrogen atom or another carbon atom. Okay. Now this type of functional group, that means RC double bond O R, called as ester functional group. ऐसा ester's functional group. So here in short, जितने भी अभी हम लोगों ने functional groups देखे थे, in short, as you can see on the screen, how many groups that contain carbonyl species or carbonyl group? One is aldehyde, ketone. Aldehyde is RCHO, ketones RC double bond OR, carboxylic acid RC double bond OOH, ester RC double bond OOR. That means carboxylic acid और ester में क्या difference है? Only hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. In case of aldehyde, RC double bond OOH, acid chloride, RC double bond OCl, and lastly amide, that is nothing but a RC double bond ONH2. In short, RCONH2. Okay. Now in this chapter, we are going to study three functional groups. One is aldehyde, another one is ketone, and third one is the carboxylic acid. Now see the classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. How will you classify the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid? Aldehydes are classified as per the nature of carbon skeleton bonded to carbonyl group. Means जो भी skeleton carbonyl group को attached रहेगा, on the basis of that aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids are undergo classification. Okay. Now let us discuss about the classification of aldehydes. Aldehydes are classified as aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. See, aldehydes having a two classification. One is aliphatic and another one is aromatic aldehyde. So aliphatic means here aliphatic compounds are present with the carbonyl group, and aromatic means aromatic cyclic ring is present. See, first one is the aliphatic aldehyde. The compounds in which CHO group means aldehydic functional group, is directly attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that means singly bonded carbon atom, or we can say saturated carbon atom, are called as aliphatic aldehydes. क्या होता है इसका मीनिंग एलिफेटिक aldehydes का, कि जो aldehydic फंक्शन ग्रुप है वो एलिफेटिक कार्बन को अटैच होना चाहिए, and aliphatic carbon means saturated carbon atom, in that the hybridized state of carbon atom is sp3. So if this type of species is there, then this type of aldehyde is called as aliphatic aldehyde. The exceptional case is that if this CHO group is bonded with hydrogen atom, then this is called as the formaldehyde, and formaldehyde is the exceptional case. Now see the examples. Here CHO group is attached with this CH3, and CH3 means carbon forms all 4 sigma bonds, and all 4 sigma bonds means hybridization state is sp3. Okay, so see here, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, the compounds in which CHO group is directly bound or directly attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, so this is the one of the example of aliphatic aldehyde, and the name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde. Another example is CH3CH2CHO, CH3CH2CHO. Okay, CH3CH2CHO. Here this CHO linkage is bonded with that carbon atom which form all 4 sigma bonds, and the hybridization state is sp3. Right, ये कार्बन एटम में चारों की चारों सिग्मा बॉन्ड फॉर्म किए, so that's why the hybridization state is sp3, and the name of compound is propion aldehyde. That means this is form a aliphatic aldehyde, or this is called as the aliphatic aldehyde. Okay. Now the second one is aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehydes means क्या होगा, aromatic species attach होनी चाहिए CHO group को, देखते वही क्या. Now the compounds in which CHO group is directly attached to aromatic ring called as aromatic aldehydes. क्या होना चाहिए, if the CHO group, that means this CHO group means aldehydic functional group is directly attached with aromatic ring, then it is called as aromatic aldehydes. For example, this CHO link, CHO is bonded with that benzene ring. Okay, this is aromatic ring na, benzene. So this become benzaldehyde. Okay, so this is the aromatic ring. So usko directly attached kone CHO linkage. Here in next example, this is the benzene ring directly attached with the CHO group, and here one of the another species is present, that means another group is there, that means hydroxy group. So the name of compound is salicylaldehyde. One more example is this benzene ring is directly attached with CHO group with NO2 group. So main अपना इतना ही है, ठीक है, ये तो different term. So this is called as the para-nitrobenzaldehyde, and all these three are aliphatic aldehyde, in that CHO group is attached with aromatic ring. Okay. Now the next one is classification of ketone. Again, ketones are classified as aliphatic and aromatics on the basis of presence of alkyl groups. तो carbonyl group, The ketones are classified as aliphatic and aromatic ketones. Aliphatic ketones, the compounds in which carbonyl group is attached to alkyl groups called as aliphatic ketones. So two different alkyl groups presented, that means on the basis of that presence of alkyl group may be same, may not be same. These aliphatic ketones are further classified as simple or symmetrical ketone, and second one is mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. On the basis of what? On the basis of presence of alkyl group. If the carbonyl group is bonded with both same alkyl group, then it is called as simple or symmetrical. And if the carbonyl group is bonded with two different alkyl group, then it is called as mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. सिंपल और सिमेट्रिकल कीटोन मतलब क्या होता है कि जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है जिसको अटैच अगर सेम अल्काइल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है, दिस इज द कार्बोनिल ग्रुप ना, इसको अटैच टू मिथाइल ग्रुप है तो सेम अल्काइल ग्रुप है, देन इट इज सिंपल और सिमेट्रिकल. सो इट इज डायमिथाइल कीटोन और एसीटोन. Here one more example, this carbonyl group is bonded with two ethyl group. Two ethyl मतलब ये alkyl group भी ethyl है और दूसरा alkyl group भी ethyl है. So two ethyl groups are present, two same alkyl groups are present. So that's why this is also simple or symmetrical ketone. Clear? Are you getting my point? And if these alkyl groups are different, मतलब एक कोई तो एक alkyl group दूसरा है और दूसरा alkyl group दूसरा है. In that case, the ketones in which two alkyl groups bonded carbonyl carbon atoms are different, then this type of ketone called as unsymmetrical or mixed ketone. See the example. Now this is the carbonyl group. Now this carbonyl group ketone का है मतलब दो alkyl group है. One alkyl group is methyl group, another one is propyl group. So दोनों के दोनों different हो गए. So the name is ethyl and propyl ketone. And this example is nothing but an example of mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Here also take one more example. This is the carbonyl group. It is bonded with one ethyl, another one is methyl group. एक R group is ethyl, another R group is methyl. So it is a mixed type of ketone, ना? Methyl भी और ethyl भी है. So that means this is the mixed type of ketone, or it is also called as the unsymmetrical ketone. Okay. So this is the classification, that is the first classification, that means aliphatic ketones. Secondly, these ketones are classified as an aromatic ketone. Aromatic ketone simply again वही होगा कि this carbonyl group, if it is bonded with cyclic aromatic ring, then it is called as aromatic ketone. The compounds in which carbonyl group is attached to either two aryl group or one aryl and one alkyl group, then it is called as aromatic ketone. See here example. This is the aromatic ring, this is also aromatic ring, and both are connected to carbonyl group here. Carbonyl group को दोनों पे दोनों attached है, so this is the aromatic ketone and the name is benzophenone. दोनों के दोनों alkyl group aryl group हो सकते हैं या एक R group alkyl होगा मतलब methyl और दूसरा अगर aromatic होता है. ठीक है. See here another example. Here carbonyl group is bonded with one is benzene ring, another one is methyl group. So दोनों R में से एक तो alkyl group है और दूसरा aryl group है. This is also aromatic ketone. The name is acetophenone or methylphenyl ketone. क्या बोला जाता है उसको? Acetophenone or methylphenyl ketone. Now the classification of carboxylic acid. अब कीटोन का देख लिया, एल्डिहाइड का देख लिया. एल्डिहाइड का क्लासिफिकेशन एलिफेटिक एंड एरोमेटिक. कीटोन का भी एलिफेटिक एंड एरोमेटिक. Aliphatics are further classified into two ways, symmetrical and unsymmetrical. If two alkyl groups are same, then symmetrical. If two alkyl groups are different, then unsymmetrical. Now the next one is classification of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are classified as again aliphatic and aromatic carboxylic acid. Aliphatic means परत तेज, वही रहेगा. The compounds in which carbonyl group is bonded to alkyl group are called as aliphatic carboxylic acid or fatty acids. See example here. This CH3, this is COH group, that means carboxylic group, and this carboxylic group here, one is CH3 group. Name is acetic acid. In another example, COH group is attached with C2H5 group. That means the name is propionic acid. Okay. Here also one of the exception कि यहाँ पे अगर R group है और R group की जगह पे if hydrogen is present, then this is the exceptional और exceptional का नाम होता है फिर formic acid. जैसे formaldehyde देखा था, like that formic acid. That means formic acid SCOH is also classified as the aliphatic and carboxylic acid. Understood? So carboxylic acid are classified as a aliphatic carboxylic and aromatic carboxylic acid. Aliphatic का मतलब क्या होता है? The compounds in which carbonyl group is bonded to an alkyl group called as aliphatic. Depending on the number of COH group present, carboxylic acid are classified as mono, di, tri, carboxylic acid and so on. Means जितने COH group present रहेंगे उस हिसाब से उसका further classification है. So on the basis of what? On the basis of presence of COH group, these carboxylic acids are classified as mono, di, tri carboxylic acid. See examples. Here, propionic acid. Formula is CH3, CH2, COOH. 3 carbon atom, that means propionic acid. And how many COH groups are present? Only one COOH group is present. So it is called as monocarboxylic acid. See another example. COOH bonded with COH. COOH bonded with COH. This is oxalic acid. This is the formula of oxalic acid. And here, as you can see on the screen here, 2 COOH linkages are present. COOH groups are present. So that's why this is called as the dicarboxylic acid. In case of citric acid, formula is that CH2COH, COH, and here CH2COH again. So how many carboxylic groups, COH groups? 3 COH groups are present. So the compound is tricarboxylic acid, and the name of this compound is citric acid. Aromatic carboxylic acids. अब aromatic carboxylic acid क्या होगा? जहाँ पे aromatic ring present होगी COH group को. Simple. In these compounds, one or more carboxylic groups are attached directly to the aromatic ring. Again, take one example. Here, benzoic acid. Benzoic acid means aryl group is directly attached to a COOH group. That means benzene ring is attached to a COOH group. So it is called as benzoic acid. And this is the example of aromatic carboxylic acid. क्या है उसका नाम? Example किसका है वो? Aromatic carboxylic acid का. Here phthalic acid. In that benzene ring is directly attached with 2 carboxylic group, 2 COOH group. So this is called as phthalic acid. Okay, this is called as phthalic acid. Here, benzene ring is attached with COH and another one is OCOCH3. Means only one carboxylic group is present. This is also monocarboxylic. ये dicarboxylic हुआ जहाँ पे 2 COH group है. This is monocarboxylic acid. But this is aromatic carboxylic acid. So here COOH and OCOOH3 group is present. So the name is aspirin or acetyl salicylic acid. Acetyl salicylic acid. This aspirin is used as a drug. Understood? So this is all about the classification of अल्डिहाइड्स, कीटोन्स एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। कौन से क्लासिफिकेशन देखे अल्डिहाइड्स के? दो, वन इज एलिफेटिक, अनदर वन इज एरोमेटिक. Ketones, aliphatic, again aromatic. Aliphatic further symmetrical and unsymmetrical. And carboxylic acid, again aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic मोनोकार्बोक्सिलिक भी हो सकते, डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक भी हो सकते, ट्राइकार्बोक्सिलिक भी हो सकते. एंड एरोमेटिक कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप अगेन अराइल ग्रुप और बेंजीन रिंग को अटैच्ड COH ग्रुप है, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज एरोमेटिक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. Understood? So this is all about the classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Now the next topic of this chapter is nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. अब हम लोग nomenclature study करेंगे. Common name as well as IUPAC. Common name भी देखना है and as well as IUPAC nomenclature भी देखना है. So the nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Now first of all we have to discuss common name. Okay, so in the common name system, aldehydes are named from the common name of acid. So that's why यहाँ पे आप लोगों को दिख रहा होगा स्क्रीन पे कि कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के एग्जांपल्स और अल्डिहाइड के एग्जांपल्स साथ में रखे. Why? What is the reason behind that? Here the common name of aldehydes are named from the common name of carboxylic acids, corresponding carboxylic acid. How it will relate? See, the IC acid, कार्बोक्सिलिक बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. तो जो IC है, लास्ट का जो वर्ड डिजिट्स है, सॉरी लास्ट के जो अल्फाबेट्स है कार्बोक्सिलिक के, तो वो जो IC और उसके बाद जो लिखते हैं एसिड, which is replaced by a aldehyde in case of aldehyde, or while writing the nomenclature of aldehyde. The aldehyde group is always at the end of chain terminal. Aldehydic functional group कहाँ पे present रहेंगे? Always at the chain, at the end of chain. ठीक है, ये समझ में आएगा. IC acid ending with the aldehyde, जैसे हम लोग लिखते हैं ना कार्बोक्सिलिक, XYLIC, तो ये जो IC है इस, और इसके बाद हम लोग एसिड भी लिखते हैं, तो रिमूव दिस, इसको निकाल लेना. इतना तो आईसी और एसिड को निकाल के वहां पे अल्डिहाइड पुट अप करना है. ठीक है, बस जो भी नाम रहेगा कंपाउंड का वहां पे अल्डिहाइड लिखना है, बस दैट्स इट. नाउ सी द एग्जांपल. HCOOH or HCO2H. What is this? This is methanoic acid. That means common name is formic acid. Okay, common name is formic acid. IUPAC nomenclature तो हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे. Formic acid. Okay, HCOOH having a common name formic acid. अब इसका अल्डिहाइड का क्या होगा फॉर्मूला? HCHO, COH निकाल के वहां पे CH अटैच कर दो. जिसका कॉमन नेम फॉर्मिक एसिड है, तो ऊपर हम लोगों ने देखा है कि IC एसिड निकाल के वहां पे अल्डिहाइड लगाना है बस. तो ये जो फॉर्मिक में का IC निकाल लो वहां पे और एसिड निकाल लो, तो बचा कौन? FORM. इतना निकाल लेते हैं तो वहां पे अल्डिहाइड लगा लेना है, मतलब FORM aldehyde. So the common word become formaldehyde. The name become formaldehyde. Understood? So HCHO, that means formaldehyde, first member. Secondly, CH3COOH, acetic acid. So इसका अल्डिहाइड कैसा बनेगा? CH3CHO. एसिटिक एसिड का IC एसिड निकाल लो और वहां पर अल्डिहाइड लगा दो, तो वर्ड बिकम एसिटाल्डिहाइड. सिमिलरली बाकी के एग्जांपल, CH3CH2COOH प्रोपियोनिक एसिड, CH3CH2CHO प्रोपियोन अल्डिहाइड. नेक्स्ट CH3CH2/2COOH ब्यूटेरिक एसिड. हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम्स? 1 2 3 4, 4 का ब्यूटेन, ब्यूटेन का एसिड ब्यूटेरिक एसिड. सो इसका अल्डिहाइड ब्यूटिरल्डिहाइड. CH3CH2/2CHO ब्यूटिरल्डिहाइड. नेक्स्ट CH3CH2/3C डबल बॉन्ड COOH How many carbon atoms? 5 carbon atoms. 5 carbon atom means pentane. Pentane का एसिड वैलेरिक एसिड. 5 कार्बन एटम के एसिड को बोलते हैं वैलेरिक एसिड. So इसका aldehyde valeraldehyde. CH3 CH2 by 3 CHO. And lastly CH3 CH2 by 4 COOH. How many carbon atoms are present in a chain? ये 4 और ये 5 और ये 6 carbon atoms. That means hexane. And the name of this 6 carbon atom acid is called as caproic acid. And the aldehydic name is caproaldehyde. अंडरस्टूड. बस क्या करना है आपको, कुछ भी नहीं करना है. एसिड का जो नाम है वहां से आईसी एसिड निकाल के अल्डिहाइड पुटअप करना है, बस दैट्स इट. सो सी द एग्जांपल्स. नाउ इफ द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स आर प्रेजेंट, ओके, इफ द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अल्डिहाइड. अब लॉन्ग चेन है और वहां पे कुछ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट प्रेजेंट है, तो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट की पोजीशन तो मेंशन करना पड़ेगा ना व्हाइल राइटिंग द नोमेनक्लेचर. So if the substituents are present, the substituent locants are given using the Greek letters. कौन से Greek letters? Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, omega, like that. Means कौन से कार्बन एटम पे अपना सब्स्टिट्यूएंट प्रेजेंट है उसकी जो लोकेंट रहेगा उसको हम लोग शो करेंगे बाय द ग्रीक लेटर्स अल्फा, बीटा, गामा, डेल्टा, ओमेगा, एप्सिलॉन, beginning with the carbon next to the carbonyl carbon atom. ये तो सबको पता है कि अल्फा कार्बन कौन सा रहता है. The carbon atom which is next to a functional group is called as the alpha carbon atom. So here functional group is that CHO. CHO का next carbon atom is alpha. That means this carbon atom is alpha. This carbon atom is beta and this carbon atom is gamma. इसके आगे और होता तो फिर डेल्टा, फिर ओमेगा, एप्सिलॉन, लाइक ये सब आते थे. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल में एज यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन हियर दिस formula is that CH3 CHBr CH2 COH. So bromine as a substituent is present here. कौन है यहाँ पे? bromine as a substituent is present and bromine is present at this carbon atom, ये वाले कार्बन. So इसकी लोकेंट लिखना पड़ेगा. इन केस ऑफ कॉमन नेम नंबरिंग तो आईपीएस नाम में आता है, नंबरिंग आईपीएस नोमेनक्लेचर में आता है. यहाँ पे नंबरिंग नहीं आता है while writing a common name. So here alpha, beta, gamma, these are the Greek letters are used. So this carbon atom is alpha and this carbon atom is beta and beta carbon atom contain Br group. So the name become beta bromo. Now how many carbon atoms are present? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are present. So its aldehyde is butyraldehyde. Beta bromo butyraldehyde. Take one more example. CH3 CHOH CH2 CH2 CHO. Again OH हाइड्रोक्साइड ग्रुप इज यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा का है तो एज ए सब्स्टिट्यूएंट होगा कौन से कार्बन एटम पे. ये तो अल्डिहाइडिक हो गया. इसके नेक्स्ट अल्फा, उसका नेक्स्ट बीटा and उसका नेक्स्ट gamma. At gamma carbon atom OH group is there and OH is nothing but a hydroxy group. How many carbon atoms are present in a chain including CHO group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atom का aldehyde valeraldehyde. And at gamma position, at gamma carbon atom, hydroxy group is present. So the name become gamma hydroxy valeraldehyde. Next example, alpha phenyl acetaldehyde. See, CH2COOH and this carbon atom is bonded with that aryl ring or phenyl ring. Now this is the alpha carbon atom ना. Alpha carbon atom के साथ कौन है? phenyl ring है. So the word become alpha phenyl. और इतना कौन है? CH3 CH2CHO. This is the acetaldehyde. Word is acetaldehyde. Aromatic aldehydes are usually designated as derivatives of simplest aromatic aldehydes like benzaldehyde. अब यहाँ पे benzaldehyde देखते हैं. See, benzaldehyde means C6H5CHO. The name is benzaldehyde. अब वही benzaldehyde पे कोई भी पोजीशन पे NO2 ग्रुप लग दो तो कौन सी पोजीशन पे है वो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू CHO ग्रुप? आई गेस एट फोर्थ पोजीशन, मतलब एट पैरा पोजीशन. तो पैरा नाइट्रोबेंजल्डिहाइड, नेम बिकम पैरा नाइट्रोबेंजल्डिहाइड. हियर दिस इज CHO ग्रुप, ये जहाँ पे अटैच है CHO ग्रुप एंड हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप इज आल्सो प्रेजेंट. कौन से पोजीशन पे हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप? एट ऑर्थो पोजीशन, नेबरर में है ना. सो द ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंझल्डिहाइड और त्यालाच म्हणतात सॅलिसाइल अल्डिहाइड. Next one is aldehydic functional group is there, CHO group, and here acid group is also present. OCH3 group is also there. That means methoxy group. कौन सी position पे? This is ortho, this is meta, and this is the para. So at para position methoxy group is present, so para methoxy. और ये पूरा कौन है? Benzaldehyde. So para methoxy benzaldehyde or anisyl aldehyde. Another word is anisyl aldehyde. Understood? So while writing a common name for aldehydes, you have to see locants of substituents, whether on which carbon atom substituents are present at alpha, at beta or at gamma. वो आपको देखना है and with respect to this nomenclature लिखना है common name. Now the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes. See, अब यहाँ पे रूल्स तो सबके सेम ही रहते हैं आईयूपीएसी नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स के, ओनली माइन्यूट चेंजेस आते हैं. So first rule is that select the longest continuous carbon chain that contains a double bond O group present and replace the ending E of alkane by the suffix al. alkane का E जो रहेगा means alkane का spelling is ALKANE. तो ये जो E है इसको रिप्लेस करना है by AL. So the word become अल्क्यानल. वर्ड क्या बनेगा? अल्क्यानल. ई निकाल लिया ना तो नल. ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट सिलेक्ट द लॉन्गेस्ट कंटिन्यूअस चेन जिसमें अपना कार्बन ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए एंड काउंटिंग नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स, उसका जो करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्केन रहेगा, रिप्लेस द ई ऑफ अल्केन बाय एल. द वर्ड बिकम अल्क्यानल. CHO group is assigned the number 1 position, always number 1 position, and takes the precedence over other functional group that may be present such as OH, C double bond, C, like that. If the CHO group is bonded to a ring, name the ring and add the suffix carbaldehyde. अगर CHO group अपने ring पे present है, then while writing IUPAC nomenclature, the name become वहाँ पे suffix add करना है like carbaldehyde. See the examples. CH3, CH, Br, CH2, CHO. अब कॉमन नेम लिखते समय हम लोग कार्बन पे जो भी रहेगा सब्स्टिट्यूएंट उसकी पोजीशन अल्फा बीटा गामा से लिखते, शो करते. ठीक है. बट आईयूपीएसी नोमेनक्लेचर लिखते समय वहां पे अल्फा बीटा गामा नहीं लिखना है, वहां पे नंबरिंग आएंगी, लोकेंट आएगा अपने सब्स्टिट्यूएंट का. सो हियर CH3, CH, Br, CH2, COH. How many carbon atoms are present in a chain? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom का alkane, butane. Butane का E replace करो Al से. So the word become butanal. But यही पे बात खत्म हो गई क्या? No, because Br is also present. And Br कौन से carbon atom पे present है? At that carbon atom Br is present. So the number of this carbon atom, this carbon atom is first, second, and third. At third carbon atom Br is present. So the word become, so the name become 3-bromobutanol. Understood? 3-bromobutanol. Take one more example. CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, COH. How many carbon atoms are present in the longest continuous chain? 5 carbon atoms are present, and the 5 carbon atom का alkane pentane. E of alkane is replaced by Al. Pentane का निकाल लो और वहां पे आएगा Al. So the word become pentanal. But यहाँ पे नाम खत्म नहीं हुआ because hydroxy group is also present, and hydroxy group is present at which carbon atom? At 4th carbon atom. How? This carbon atom is first, second, next one is, and the next third, and this is 4th and 5th. At 5th carbon atom hydroxy group is present. So the word is 4-hydroxypentanal. Understood? Next one example again, C6H5CH2COOH. So here longest continuous chain contain 2 carbon atom. Ethane is the parent alkane. E is replaced by Al. So the word is ethanol. And at second carbon atom phenyl ring is present. So the name is 2-phenylethanol. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल CH3CHCl यहाँ पे कार्बन है CHO. How many carbon atoms are present in the longest continuous chain? 1, 2, 3. No, sorry. 1, 2, and 3. At second position, chlorine group is present. 3 carbon atoms means propane. Propane can replace propanol. Okay. And at second carbon atom, chlorine is present. So the 2 chloropropane. Next is 3 hydroxypropanol. Here see carbon first, second, and third. At third position, OH group is present. How many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. 3 carbon atom का alkane propane. Propane का replace करो Al से. So the word is propanol. And at third position, hydroxy group is present. So 3 hydroxypropanol. Okay. Now here CH3 CH double bond CH. Means ये directly attached है ऐसा. CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. How many carbon atoms? ये first carbon, ये second carbon, now this is third carbon and fourth carbon. 4 carbon atom है अपने, but यहाँ पे double bond is there. Double bond है मतलब alkene. 4 carbon atom का alkene butene. Butene का जो E रहेगा end में उसको replace करना है Al से. So the word become butenal. But at which carbon atom double bond is present? So at second carbon double bond is present. So the name become 2-butenal. Okay. Next is C6H5CHO. This is benzaldehyde or benzene carbaldehyde. Again, this is cyclohexane directly attached with that CHO group. So the word is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Okay. This is cyclopentane attached with CHO and OH group. At which position OH group is there? At third position OH group is present. So the word is 3-hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. So this is the nomenclature of aldehydes. Okay. So यहाँ पे जो चार्ट है इसका IUPAC nomenclature भी देख लेते हैं. यहाँ here जो हम लोगों ने कॉमन नेम में देखा था. See, in case of aldehyde, only aldehyde का चार्ट देखना है यहाँ पे. Now HCHO अगर रहा है तो उसका कॉमन नेम देता है formaldehyde, but IUPAC nomenclature is methanol. CH3CHO अगर रहता है तो कॉमन नेम इज एसिटाल्डिहाइड. 2 कार्बन एटम का अल्केन इथेन. इथेन का ई रिप्लेस करो Al से, दो ई बिकम इथेनॉल. CH3CH2CHO कॉमन नेम इज प्रोपियोन अल्डिहाइड. 3 कार्बन एटम का अल्केन प्रोपेन. प्रोपेन का ई जो एंड में आता है रिप्लेस करो Al से, प्रोपेनल. CH3CH2/2CHO. Butyraldehyde is the common name. 4 carbon atom का alkane butane. E is replaced by Al. The word is butanol. CH3CH2/3CHO. How many carbon atoms? 3, 4 और 5. 5 carbon atom का aldehyde valeraldehyde. But the common name हो गया. IUPAC nomenclature लिखते समय count the carbon atoms. 5 carbon atoms are present. So 5 carbon atom का alkane पेंटेन. पेंटेन का रिप्लेस करो Al से, पेंटेनल. एंड लास्टली CH3 CH2/4CHO. हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम्स? 1, 4 और 1, 5 और 6. 1 + 4 5 + 1 6. Caproldehyde is the common name and 6 carbon atom का alkane is hexane. Hexane का रिप्लेस करो Al से, so the word become hexanal. So this is all about the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes, a common name as well as IUPAC nomenclature for aldehydes. In next lecture, we will discuss the nomenclature for ketone and carboxylic acid, and along with that, we will discuss the preparation of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Okay, students. So see you soon in next lecture. Till then, do study, stay at home and stay healthy.